Come to work with me. Come on, y'all. Come on. It's Thursday. Come on. Come to work with me. First, I'm making me a big cup of coffee. I got me some creamer from work yesterday. But our coffee machine is down at 7-Eleven. And plus, coffee at home is always better. So I got my cream. And then I'm gonna need my sugar, stir it up. And look at the time, I'm supposed to be there at 8 o'clock, y'all. I am late. But I'm out. Am I in a rush? No. I stay up the street. Hold on, y'all. Plus, I'm always on time anyways. Like, and then when it be time for me to leave, they don't never come on time. Give her a good stir. All right, y'all. Let me grab this cup, throw away my trash, and we'll be out. Oh, it is 38 degrees. Yes, I'm late. I grabbed my coffee, had to brush my teeth, wash my face. I'm on my way, y'all, but damn. Y'all would think this is some snow if y'all can see the little drops on the windows, but no, just a little rain. Us Tampanians want some snow so bad. Just a little rain. Y'all, I made it. First thing first, let me come in and clock in. Good morning, Rocky.
Hey, good morning, guys.
Got my coffee. Come around. We clocking in. Come around, I'll take a look at the food and everything I need to replace. Everything looks good. Thank y'all for coming to work with me today, y'all. Let's have fun. Then I always straighten this gum up right here, but it looks good. It's sprinkling outside, y'all, so it might be a boring day. But we gonna make the best of it. Free money. Oh, we got a customer. 20 on 6, and she walks away. And we got a delivery from Pepsi. Check them out.
Yeah, a little bit.
That's it?
How you doing? Yes, ma'am.
All right. What?
2 for 3.
2 for 3. Which ones you wanted? I'm sorry? The steak? Let me get his steak. His steak taquitos. Is that it for you? Together?
No.
No.
That's okay. You pay for the little chicken. You pay. It's for free direct.
You need two.
Thank you. Bitches is. There's only 2 steak taquitos on there, so I'm gonna open these up, put my gloves on, and put 4 on there. Grab them, place them, put it on the grill. And normally, y'all see me just come in here. This food was already on here, but it don't have no labels, y'all. So he said he just made it. I'm about to make some labels. Let me show y'all how to do that. Hold on. So, just the gum?
Yeah.
$2.44 out of 3.
Yeah.
$3 cash. Thank you. Have a great day. To the label thing, so I see we got 2 spicy chickens, 2 roasted chickens, and 2 buffalo. Put 2 that I got 2 roasted, and I turn it out. And it comes out over here. Sticking out. It is good till
5 of them.
5.
Yep.
Quick pick.
Yep.
Fancy car. $5. Put them in $5. Yeah. I know they failed the inspection and all that shit. But one thing you ain't gonna do is try me and tell me to clean up some shit like this. I don't want to. Customer. I got a customer. Even though he's over there cleaning his damn self, I still don't want to have to clean that shit. I'm a princess. Let me show y'all exactly what he's talking about. This is why I'm a boss and my own worker. I don't want to have to clean this shit, y'all. Like, is he crazy? Get somebody else to do it. I'm gonna clean it, y'all. I'm gonna be a good sport about it. He better not ever ask me to do anything else like that again. I don't care, I don't care, I don't give a damn. Some of this shit you can't even clean. That's the best I can do. Is that gonna look better? It's better than what it was. But I'm not cleaning this. I don't give a fuck. My favorite customer. My favorite customer. Huh? What's going on?
I get a sausage.
A what?
Sausage.
You want a hot dog?
Yeah.
He want a hot dog. He want a hot dog. He want a hot dog. This dude coming here every day. That's how we do the hot dog. And I got the gloves on. They come individually wrapped. Close the box up. Usually make them pay for it. But I'm going to let them get it. Hey. And he going to take it and he going to put his stuff on it. And then boom. The napkins up here. What they said? Make America great again. What they said? Trump is in office. Trump is in office. Too bad God is my president. Yeah, damn. Home of the good burger. So good morning. Oh, you got you a chili cheese dog. Okay. On the 1, 2. Got him some food this morning. On 2, you know, knock down an hour. I remember when the cheese dog was so good, he coming back for another one. Yes, sir. I thought he wanted the cheeseburger something for you. Let me put a grocery non-tax and then you can pay for it that way. $9,000. I didn't even know his PIN number, y'all. You good now? It ain't ringing up like that, but I made it ring up like that. No longer could buy hot food with EBT. That's what that is. And he got some money on there. But you no longer could buy hot food with EBT at 7-Eleven. That's all. What you doing? Can't complain. Just this? Just this?
Yes.
11:33. Right here. My lip gloss is cool. My lip gloss is popping. Yes. Keep them gloss on the jaw. 1 o'clock me, please. Y'all, we ain't here forever. We ain't here all day. We here for a little time, not a long time. Easy peasy. Hello. I think I'm about to do some. I got a customer in here doing lotto or some shit. I'm about to show y'all how to make this pizza in a minute too. Hello. Well, let me be the pizza. Put on your gloves. Let me show y'all. Take the pizza. Put on your gloves. Put the thing. On it like this. Then you bring it to the oven. Bring it to the oven like that. Pop that joint in. Put pizza, pepperoni or cheese. Then it cooks and you wait. You wait. You can dance while you wait. You wait. You could dance while you wait. It got about 30 more seconds. I'm gonna get my pizza boxes because we're gonna cut that big old pizza into 6 slices. Let me show y'all. It's about to be done. And I'm about to take it out a little earlier so it can last longer. Something like that. Put that baby down. Gloves back on. Yes, I'm using the same gloves. We ain't wasting shit. Hello. Do it like that. Hold on, y'all. Got another customer. Try it again. Got back on my gloves. Yes, we conserving. We ain't wasting shit. Hello. I got another customer, but we finna cut this pizza real quick. So I cut it in half. Y'all can't see it, but I gotta hurry up. So I cut it in half like that, right? And then 1 slice. 2 slices. Give it a V shape. Then I take my little pinchers, right? Oh, I cut it good. Oh my God. Pincher. And I put it on that side. Y'all see how I was hesitating a little bit? And then I put it on that side. Voila. 7-11 pieces. This side. Then I put this side. That's it. Boom. Another pieces. That whole pizza down. Now I clean up after this customer. Put it all in there. And boom. Like that.
For this morning.
He trying to give me some of that. He trying to give me a piece. I'm good. We got some caramel.
You know what I'm saying? That bitch finna be righteous.
Go ahead, let me see you drizzle. Let me see you drizzle.
You see how I drop?
Oh shit.
See how I drop?
Oh shit. Oh.
And this after I eat that top layer, I'm gonna put some on top.
Oh.